Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how I'm able to make a video every single day and how you can do exactly the same thing. So with that being said, if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single day. And with that being said, let's dive straight into it and how you can make a video every single day even if you're not at home. So I've been doing this for about 3 months. I have had this channel for a lot longer. I've made a ton of videos, but I wasn't very consistent at all. I was just not gaining any subscribers whatsoever, maybe once every month or two, and it was very hard because I was very inconsistent. I was trying to make a video every single day, but sometimes life happens and you're not able to do that. And I was struggling because it's very hard to keep going when you're not gaining anything, any views, any subscribers or anything like that. And I decided I wanted to make a switch and actually decide that I wanted to make a video every single day. And that is the very first thing that you have to do. You have to actually decide that this is over. You're gonna stop messing around and actually decide that you're going to make a video every single day. And maybe it's not every single day for you, but I think it's a lot better to do so. So you really have to decide that you're going to do a video every day or every week or whatever it may be, but you have to decide that, because when I was doing that I was like, oh, today I'm going shopping so I won't have time to do that, so too bad, I won't have a video. And then I got home later the other day, so I'm not able to do a video like today either. And it just goes on and it's just a vicious circle. So once you decide that you're going to make a video every single day and you're not going to let yourself stop that, that is the first step. Now, the second step is you have to get a strategy to do it, because some days you actually can't do it. Like, today is the first day that I made a video for about a week, but you don't see that because you weren't there, so it was even 2 weeks I think, because I was not at home for Christmas and I just couldn't do any videos because I had no Wi-Fi connection. It was very hard and there was no way I was going to do that. So instead of that, what I did is I did 3 videos a day, and that's what I did. Like today, this is the second video I'm filming, and most days I'm filming 3 videos, and you can't let yourself not do a video if you unless you really can't do it. So you just do that every day, and then you just have some videos in advance. And the day that you can't do it because you're actually going shopping for the whole day, or you're away and you don't have your computer or something goes on, then it's not a big deal. Even if the electricity cuts down, no big deal, your videos are still coming out. So that's why you really need to have some videos. So what I do is I first plan the day before. So the day before, I'm just trying to find videos, ideas, noting them, writing them down, and just writing down exactly what I want to talk about. Not because otherwise it just comes across on camera like you're just reading something, but the bullet points, you want to write them down the day before. So you write the title, the bullet points, and you find 3 videos like that. So once you have that, you just go to bed, and the next day what you do is you have everything written down. So even if you completely forgot, you are ready to put in the work and make some videos. So you get up, and what I do is I just start filming right from when I get up, and I film the 3 videos. Then I edit them, and then in the afternoon, or in the evening or whatever, it depends on your work schedule, like if you're at school, at work or whatever, if it's in the evening, you can do that as well. And you just start again and write the 3 ideas down. So I don't make videos on the weekends because so many people get burnt out, and you know, they just do that all, like put out a video every single day, and then they get burnt out, and then they don't do anything else. So what I do is on the weekends I don't make any videos. Yes, I promote them and do all these things like that, but I do not make videos. So I have a lot more free time, and just that gives me some time to rest and think about other things, even though I think about this all the time, but I'm still able to think about some other things. And that's a way that you can just not get burnt out. So what I did is, first you have to get your mindset right and be sure that you're going to not let yourself miss out a day. Second is you have to make multiple videos every single day, because if you're not doing this and you're just doing a video today for today, this won't last. You'll be able to make a video for maybe a month, like if you're really like dedicated, and then you'll just drop off. So you really have to make sure that you're making multiple videos a day. And I suggest 3, because 2 is very hard to get ahead of yourself, because if you make 2 and you start now, like tomorrow you'll only have 1 video in advance. Now if you do 3, it's a lot faster to get around, and you'll have your weekends covered with that. So that's very important, and this is something that you really have to make sure that you do. You also have to make sure that you plan your videos ahead, because if you just wake up and then you have to search on what videos you're going to make, it's going to be a lot harder, because it takes a lot of time to actually find the ideas. And if you just try to find the ideas for today and filming today, it's going to be a lot harder. But if you do it for the next day, it's going to be a lot easier, and that is something that is going to help you quite a lot. So I forgot to say at the beginning of this video that I got this idea from a subscriber that sent me an Instagram message. So if you want to send me any Instagram messages, like you have any questions, it's StephenDev1, and I don't post very often, but I am on there and I do try to answer some messages. It might take you a few days, but I usually try to answer the DMs. So if you have any questions, make sure that you send them on there, and I'm happy to answer them at any time. So with that being said, make sure that you smash that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you did, because you're still watching it. And also leave me a comment. I always appreciate your comment and enjoy your feedback, so make sure you do that. Leave me a like, because it always pushes the videos up, and I really enjoy that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.